Okay, I'm all done with the job and got the hoses out. It was a big job. We got the filter box that's been in place since we've done the whole house. So we're going to go out and check it. Okay, let's check this filter box out and see what it looks like. Wow. Well, it looks like most of it went in the box. I think by now you probably would have seen this entire inside fully caked. So it's good that we got it all in there, most of it anyways. Now if this had been any other design, it would have been like all over the back end, pasted to the back end of that housing there. So I'm happy with the results. And these quick connects come apart and you can pull that out and clean it up and rinse it off and you're all set to go. So it worked out really well. I'm very happy with this filter box.